Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to unbox Triple D October box. So this month's box is a little bit different because it is not in the pink box that we usually get. So the contents are smaller this time, but still you'll be getting 4 dip powders here, and then you'll also be getting this super cute pink swatch stick. And then here in the box is a desktop vacuum cleaner, which I already opened and used. So I really love this one. So it is packaged very nicely. I already threw the plastic packaging, but this is how it looks like. It is really nice and compact, and you'll be seeing a lot of dust already since I am using this to clean my desk. So it has a button here to press so that you can open it, and yeah, those are the dust that I'm talking about. But you can actually detach this and put 2 batteries inside. So yeah, moving on to the dip colors, there are as usual 4, and then it is numbered 34, 35, and 36, and Blue Moon. So here are the swatches of the colors. You'll be getting a solid, one shimmer, a foil dip, and the other one is a thermal changer, the Blue Moon, and that also glows blue in the dark. So you'll be getting these 4 gorgeous colors, which I think is perfect for Halloween manicure. So yeah, I decided to create a Halloween mani theme today, so I am going to use Blue Moon first. So this is the thermal changer. It changes like white to black, and this one also glows in the dark. So I'm going to apply this on my pointer and a ring finger. So this is after 2 full coats, and now I am going to move on to the next colors. I'll be doing an ombre for Diva Dip 34 and 35. So I'm going to ombre this on my thumb and the pinky finger. So I just applied the dip base, and then using 2 different eyeshadow brushes, I'm just going to sprinkle the powder and do the sprinkle ombre method. So here are the colors, and now let's move on to the foil dip, which is my favorite. It is the Diva Dip 36, and I am going to apply this on my middle finger. So this foil dip is actually very nice because it shifts to different colors. So you'll see gold, you'll see like lavender, champagne color, and it is really super gorgeous. So I'll be doing 2 layers of this foil dip. So after I applied all the colors, I am just going to apply clear dip powder and do that off cam. And this is after I did that. So now I am going to activate using Triple D Activator. So I am just going to let this dry, and as usual I am going to do my filing and shaping off cam, and this is after I did that. And now I am going to do some stamping. So I have gotten this from the mail and I am really excited because this plate is so cute. It is from MANITUDE and I'll be putting her link in the description box. Her plates are amazing. So this one is super cute. So I am just going to remove the blue film, and I got a 2 film this time. So here are the designs. So this plate is really cute and I really love that it is not so scary. It is more of the cuter side of Halloween. So yeah, let's apply first this stamping polish from Maniology. And I chose this jack-o'-lantern design here. Oops, I put a lot of polish. Don't mind that one, but I'm just going to scrape it off and then pick the design as soon as possible. And then clean the unwanted design using a tape or lint roller. So after that, I am now going to apply the Maniology Sticky Base Coat. So after applying this, I am going to wait for about 30 to 40 seconds before I stamp the image. Make sure to wait for that time because if you stamp too early, it won't stick or it will ruin the design. And if you stamp super late, the design will not adhere to it. So these are the pumpkins. So before I planned to do a reverse stamping for this, but I just decided to let it be like this because it looks nice that way. And now I am going to get this ice cream skull design. So I am going to use the same polish and then I'll be doing some reverse stamping for this image. So I just cleaned the sides and then after that I'll be using Maniology So Metal stamping polish. I'm going to put some here in the plate and using a fine liner brush, I am going to paint the skull part. So for the ice cream, I'll be using this color and we'll be doing the same process. I'm going to use again a fine liner brush and paint the ice cream part. And using this color caramel, I'll be applying this to paint the cone. So after I'm done painting the design, I am now going to apply again the MANIOLOGY Sticky Base Coat and wait for about 30 to 40 seconds before you stamp the image. And then I am just going to add some of this web and a spider. So I am done with all the stamping works, so now I am going to top coat. I'll be using this Triple D Delicate 2-in-1 base coat and top coat. And cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds, and after making sure that everything is fully cured, I am going to apply cuticle oil. So this is called the sheet. It is from Scales of a Mermaid. This is going to be sold as a bundle. So Scales of a Mermaid and Dip to Cute did a collab and they came up with a bundle, and this is the dip powder that you'll be getting if you want to buy the bundle. It's going to be a cuticle oil and a dip powder bundle. It will be available for sale on October 14th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll be putting all the details in the description box. And I am finally done, and here is the finished look. I am really loving this October Diva box, especially that Diva Dip 36, that foil dip. It is really super stunning. So yeah, I'll be putting all the links and how to get a Diva box in the description box. So yeah, thank you so much and see you again on my next videos. Bye!